Hello dear children, hope you all are doing great. Today I am here to teach you a new English topic, that is has and have. And today we are also going to learn that how do we use has and have in a sentence. So let's start. We use has when we speak about one. Always remember, one person or a thing. We use have when we speak about more than one. More than one, remember. When we speak about more than one person or thing. Now, when do we use has? We use has with she, he and it. She, always remember, we use for a girl. A girl means one girl. He, we use for one boy. It, we use for an animal or a thing. And have, we always use with I, you, they and we. Always remember, with I we always use have. Here we have one more example. I have, you have, we have, they have. He has, she has, it has. Now let's see one example. The boy has a ball in his hand. You can see one boy is there, so we can also say he has a ball in his hand. But here we can see two girls. The girls have toys in their hands. We are using have because there are more than one person. We have two girls here. Now when do we use has? We use has with he, she and it. She has two cousins. It has a pillow. Have, we always use with I, we, you and they. We can see this example. I, always with I, we use have. Now we can see one boy and one girl is there. They have new clothes. They have teeth. We have hats. We is usually referred for more than one person. I have a heart. We always use have with I. I have a guitar. He has a guitar. I have a broom. Wow, she has a flying broom. Now we have this exercise on has and have. You can say it is, see here on A, I dash 10 fingers. With I, we always make use of have. B, Tony has a red aeroplane. Tony is one boy. He, you can also say he has a red toy aeroplane. And here number one, it dash a small tail. It is one. So it has a small tail. Second, the girls. Girls refers to more than one. So the girls have beautiful roses. I have two sisters. Has and have are also used in questions. When like we ask questions, have you been to London? Who has my pen? Did you have toast for breakfast? So always remember that has is used for one person or one thing. And we always use has with he, she and it. But when do we use has? Have. We use have when there is more than one person or thing. And have is also used with I, you, we, they, etc. Like I have a book, we have a book, they have a book. Hope you enjoyed learning from this session. Thank you, dear children.